Cockburn's port, a fortified sweet red wine, but the question is, can you carbonate it? Let's find out. So I'm going to start by cutting the seal in the bottle. And once I've done that, I'm going to pour it into the carbonation bottle. Oh, this isn't cutting too well. Should have planned this in advance, but that's okay. It's what happens. So is this a screw top or a cork? It is. It's a cork. Let's pour it into the carbonation bottle and stick it in the Sodastream and see what happens. Now, previous attempts at carbonating red wine were kind of successful. This could be different because it's sweeter and the higher sugar content may affect that. And also, it's got more alcohol in it, which is also going to be a factor here. So let's pop this into the Sodastream, lock it down, and start squirting carbon dioxide in. Quite foamy. We're going for a triple fart here. It's worth mentioning that Sodastream doesn't recommend using anything other than water in their units. Oh, first fart. Second fart, I'll let it settle down a bit more. Oh, that's very foamy. This could be a very long video, but that's okay. If it starts going on too long, I'll pause until it's settled. Right, okay. It's worth mentioning, if you try doing this sort of thing, the best machines for it are the ones that let you release the pressure slowly, because the ones that do it all of a sudden, it gets very messy very quickly, as in like pebble dashing your ceiling. This is looking good so far. So while it's defoaming here, I'll just mention that port is actually made from red wine, where the fermentation is stopped early by the addition of aguardiente, which is a grape-based spirit. That kills the yeast, stops the fermentation, and leaves it with some of the residual sugar, making it sweet. Of course, in the factories these days, they probably just add concentrated red wine concentrate with water and ethanol and sugar and fake it, but goodness knows what's in this. It's quite foamy, but that's okay. It is settling down. The bubbles are bursting quite quickly. So I think we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. The moment of truth is almost upon us. It's got some persistent bubbles at the end. Bear with me one moment, please. Oh, there we go, there we go. Excitement. I shall pop that out, drip red wine all over my carpet, and then say, "Would you like a glass of port, sir?" "Oh, yes, please." So let's see. That's very thick and creamy. The foam is coming straight back out as soon as it hits the glass, due to nucleation points. I'm trying to remember what port tastes like. This, I can't recall ever really having tried port as such, I don't think. So this is going to be a taste test and a carbonation test all rolled into one. It's very strong. It's 19%. It's very sweet, and it's really tainting the carbonation. Breathing it in wasn't a very good move. That is pretty good. There's very few things that carbonation hasn't improved so far. So the question of can you carbonate port is answered by yes, you can, and it's actually pretty good. Definitely something for parties.